Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping and taking the first actionable step. Clean and smooth the wall so adhesive bonds. Once done, measure the height and cut the panel with a 2-inch overlap at top and bottom. Make a vertical reference line with a level. You need a straight guide. Then peel back only the top 6-8 inches of backing and position the panel against the reference line. Press the exposed adhesive down so it sets, because that initial bond controls alignment for the rest of the panel. You continue by removing the backing gradually and smoothing the paper as you go. This prevents bubbles. Make long strokes from the center toward the edges with a squeegee while checking pattern alignment at each seam. If patterns meet, butt edges tightly. If needed, overlap 1/8 and trim with a sharp utility blade for perfect joins. For curved or uneven spots, apply low heat briefly to activate the adhesive and resmooth. This helps the material conform without tearing. You finish by trimming excess material at top and bottom using a straight edge and a fresh blade. Take light passes to prevent gouging. Once trimmed, firmly squeegee all seams and edges. If gaps appear, apply a thin bead of clear seam adhesive. If you find bubbles, lift to the closest seam and reapply, or puncture a tiny hole and push air out with the squeegee. Make sure the wall cures for 24 to 48 hours before heavy cleaning or repositioning furniture to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.